So, as I said, the security is not only something for countries or for big powers. It is also for, it goes beyond physical availability, because we have very complex interactions between natural and socioeconomic systems. It demands addressing variability and risk, should focus on the needs of individuals, because this is neglected many times. What does something means for the societies and individuals in these societies, and should, of course, urgently shift to decarbonization of energy sources. Should meet environment, because at the moment we know nothing for sure for other changes, other source of changes. For sure there are other source of changes as well. Should meet ecosystem needs, and this is one of the things that has been introduced recently for biodiversity by the Convention and also by UNEP MAP for the Mediterranean Action Plan, but also by the European Union, the ecosystem-based approach or ecosystem approach. And also it requires management, preferably through rule-based system, such as the integrated water resources management. The Nexus approach should facilitate the enhancement of water, energy, and food security while preserving the ecosystems, increasing the efficiency and productivity of resources, shifting towards more sustainable consumption and production, building synergies and improving governance across sectors. I stress again and again that governance is the weak point in most of our countries in the Mediterranean. We have defected governance that is not at all taking into account the needs for integration, and more fast decarbonization energy production, enhancing integrated water resources application, and is emphasized that solutions need to be tailor-made and localized, because what we are discussing here is not, there is no golden bullet, silver bullet, or whatever that fits, that fits all. The outcomes: energy security in parallel decrease energy bills, water security and food security, protection of inland, coastal, and marine habitats, climate change resilience, substantial economic benefits gained through improved natural resource management. And the new green, blue jobs created, actually, we all hope for that. As it concerns the resilience, reducing the conditions and how we are going to move that. One is reducing the conditions, pressures, and root causes of the vulnerability of systems. Enhancing the resilience, the ability of the systems to return to the equilibrium after the perturbation. And this asks for more ecosystem approaches. And to implement all measures, all three measures we have promoted for so many years for sustainable development: the technological, the institutional, and the educational and cultural. I have presented in previous universities this, and in my point of view, this is in all this, the space that is necessary to understand. We cannot work on flat policies. We have to move in spaces so that we can make combinations. Politicians have to have room in bringing together economy, society, environment. How to do that? With institutions, rules, with science and technology in enhancing the carrying capacity of the systems, and of course with culture, awareness, education, what we are talking about all these days. because we cannot have these two working without having citizens participate, understanding that this is the only way for the future. And tools to be used, what are these? I just explained a little bit more. I said already, these are institutional, financial. Incentives here are green taxes, levies, charges, all these kind of things, including what we have discussed this morning about labels and products and all these kind of things. It is also the scientific, technological, clean, decarbonization, energy saving, water saving, name it, non-conventional water resources, and the awareness that we have discussed, including enhancing the acceptance and recognition of the intrinsic value of nature.